amazing packages. What's this? So this is going to be an unboxing of some security cameras. I've been using Arlo's for probably 10-12 years. The ones that I got, they're going to stop supporting. I was having some issues with them recording. I have these Arlo's that are older ones. I think they're the Ultra 2s, I think. I got the solar panels, external solar panels for them. This company reached out to me and I was checking them out and I really like them. I'll kind of walk through the steps here, what I did, and pretty simple. The price point is pretty good. They got like a $100 off coupon on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. What you think in the comment section below of what you think about the cameras. If you got any questions, let me know, and then I'll put them in the comment section and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And we'll go from there. Let's see what we got here. Love amazing packages. Solar powered wireless security camera kit. From Ansque. So this is being sponsored. They want me to do an unboxing, so that's what I'm doing. You're seeing it for the first time as well as I am. Box is pretty good. The packaging comes with a quick start guide. Looks like it's pretty detailed. Solar powered. Right attached to that. Nice. Very well packaged. Got all their cords. I'm assuming for charging purposes, I'm assuming. No. Yeah. Comes with an AC adapter. These are your mounts. These are your mounts for here. So you must mount this to the wall, or vice versa. And that snaps in place. So this would mount to the wall or wherever you're mounting to, then that snaps in place and locks. We got these are templates, so you know where to, you stick this on where you're mounting it and you can drill through that. There we go. Very good packaging, as I said that 14 times. All right. So this is your base station. This would get plugged into your Ethernet, your internet, your power. Which, this is it right here. That plugs into here. And that plugs into your wall or your Ethernet cable. That plugs into there. And this plugs into your router or your internet. And yeah, these are pretty nice. Got protective coating on it. Actually, that was just a. All right. And so you got your power button and a reset button. It's all weatherproofed. Got your USB-C.
This right here is my favorite thing ever in the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake not sleeping because I'm thinking about this.
This must be where you can charge it right there. Power. So I'm assuming once you charge them, then the solar panel would keep them charged from there on out. I'm gonna install some of these. So I just plugged the base station in. Please don't judge me. I got a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of stuff. I'm not a network engineer or anything. I'm just a
hot mess.
This is my router. This is a switch, I believe. Here's my Arlo. Mr. Elon Musk, Starlink. Yeah, it's pretty messy down here. But I'm plugging this in. Obviously, my network cable goes into my switch. And then I plugged it into this rat's nest right there. Go upstairs and check the camera out. So first things first is I plugged in my base station to power, plugged it into my modem, or actually I plugged it into the switch, which is in my VPN. And then what you need to do is you need to scan this QR code and you can download the app to operate these. Pretty simple. I got my camera charging. That's what it doesn't come with the charging block power adapter, but it does come with all these cords. The USB to USB-C. USB-C goes to the camera. Basically, you want to put the plug back in the bottom when you get done. It keeps everything waterproof. So I'm gonna go test one of these cameras out real quick.
Please scan the QR code on the device or home base with your phone.
So as you can see, I got these older Arlos. They're starting to not update them anymore. So I'm actually gonna get rid of the solar panel. I spent so much money on these. I bet you I got seven or eight cameras around my property, and I just bought these a few years ago. These solar panels. And for some reason it's not charging the camera no more, so I'm gonna give these a whirl and try them out, see how they work. So I'm gonna remove that solar panel and I'm gonna mount this bracket right there, and then the camera will slide right into that. Just like that. Yeah, that should work out. So you want to make sure the solar panel is facing in the sun. Can't have it underneath. You got to have it to where the sun is going to charge us. I think for 2 hours a day is all you need, and that'll keep this battery charged up. If I put that back, I'll take the coating off. There I am. Pretty cool. If I can zoom out, be the driveway. Although the gutter's kind of getting in the way, but I can still see. The biggest thing is I want to make sure that this is facing the door. Nice. Yeah, so when somebody comes up the door, I can just come into the door. That's great.
Ansque security cameras are a feature-rich option for home security, offering wireless outdoor models with 2K to MP4 resolution. Many of their cameras are solar-powered, including 360 pan-tilt zoom PTZ functionality, and provide HD color, night vision, motion tracking, smart alerts, and two-way audio are standard features. Enhancing the user experience, they are designed for ease of use and integrate well with the mobile app for remote monitoring and notifications. Ansque cameras are popular for those seeking reliable, subscription-free surveillance options. If you're in the market for wireless security cameras, check out Ansque cameras. Um, they're well built, and I like them. I think you will too. Give them a shot and check them out. The link will be in the description below.
So yeah, these Ansque cameras, I really like them versus Arlo's. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I give these a 4.5, 5 stars. Easy hookup, and you can see what I'm seeing right now. The quality is pretty well. So if you got any value of this content, smash that thumbs up button, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.